Every time you connect to the internet, whether it's from your home, a coffee shop, or even your phone's data plan, you're assigned a unique identifier, your IP address. This string of numbers is like your digital passport, quietly accompanying you wherever you go online. Think of it as a digital return address, telling the internet exactly where to send the data you request, whether you're streaming a movie, checking your email, or shopping online. Without this system, the information you ask for would have no way of finding its way back to you. Imagine the internet as a vast, bustling city with billions of messages zipping around. Without IP addresses, it would be a chaotic mess, no way for information to reach the right destination, and no way for your device to receive the content you want. But your IP address is more than just a technical necessity. It's visible to every website, service, and person you interact with online. Each time you visit a site, your IP is logged, often without you even realizing it. In the wrong hands, this digital breadcrumb can unravel your privacy, exposing you to risks you might not expect. This seemingly random string of numbers can reveal your approximate location, your internet service provider, and even patterns in your online habits, painting a surprisingly detailed picture of your digital life. Many people assume their IP address is anonymous, but that's a dangerous misconception. In reality, it's a key that can unlock a lot of information about you. Your IP is a gateway, clues that, when pieced together with other data, can be used to build a profile of your interests, routines, and even your identity. For cybercriminals, your IP address is the first breadcrumb on a trail that can lead right to your digital doorstep, making it easier for them to target you with scams, attacks, or unwanted surveillance. The illusion of online anonymity is fragile, and your IP address is often the first thing to shatter it. Once exposed, it can be used to track your movements and activities across the web. In this video, we'll explore how IP addresses are tracked, exploited, and sometimes even sold to third parties without your knowledge. We'll break down what an IP address is, how it's assigned, and what it can reveal about you, sometimes more than you'd ever expect. By understanding the methods used by malicious actors and data brokers, you can better defend yourself and make smarter choices about your privacy. Knowledge is your best shield. Let's unmask the secrets of IP address tracking and empower you to take control of your digital footprint so you can browse with confidence and peace of mind. An IP address is your device's unique digital address on the internet, acting as a crucial identifier every time you connect online. Just like your home address lets the Postal Service deliver your mail, your IP address ensures that information, websites, and messages find their way to your device. It's like a postal code for your computer, phone, or tablet, essential for receiving data online. Without it, your device wouldn't know where to send or receive information, making internet browsing, streaming, or even sending emails impossible. There are two main types: IPv4, the familiar four-number format like 192.168.1.1, and IPv6, a much longer version created to handle the growing number of devices worldwide. IPv6 is designed for the future, ensuring we never run out of unique addresses. Most home users have dynamic IP addresses, which change periodically, often every time you restart your router or after a certain period set by your internet provider. In contrast, businesses often use static IP addresses that remain the same, making it easier to host websites or servers that need to be reliably found online. Your public IP is what the world sees when you access websites or online services. It's your device's outward-facing identity on the internet. Meanwhile, your private IP is used only within your home network, helping your devices communicate with each other and your router. Your router acts as a gatekeeper, translating between your private and public IPs using a process called Network Address Translation, or NAT, which keeps your home network organized and secure. This system allows multiple devices in your home, laptops, phones, smart TVs, to share a single public IP address, making efficient use of limited resources. While dynamic IPs offer a bit of obscurity by changing regularly, they're not a reliable shield for privacy or anonymity online, as your activity can still be tracked. Understanding these basics is key to grasping how your online identity can be traced, and why protecting your IP address matters in today's digital world. Your IP is the first step in mapping your digital presence, connecting your device to the vast world of the internet, and shaping your online footprint. Your IP address starts with your Internet Service Provider, or ISP. This is the company you pay each month to get online, whether it's through cable, fiber, or even your phone line. ISPs are the gatekeepers of the internet, and they control the flow of data to and from your home. When you connect, your ISP assigns your router a public IP address from its pool, usually via a system called DHCP. This address is like your home's street address on the internet, letting websites and services know where to send information. Think of it as borrowing a library card for your internet session. Just as a library card lets you check out books, your IP address lets you access online content and communicate with the world. This address can change. If you restart your router or after a set period, your ISP may assign you a new one. This is called a dynamic IP address, and it helps ISPs manage their limited supply of addresses more efficiently. ISPs recycle IPs among users, making tracking over long periods tricky, but real-time monitoring is still possible. This means your online identity can shift, but your activity can still be observed while you're connected. Inside your home, your router assigns private IPs to each device, keeping their data separate. Each phone, laptop, or smart TV gets its own unique number, so they don't get mixed up. This lets multiple devices share one public connection without confusion. Everyone in your household can stream, browse, or game at the same time, all through a single public IP. The router keeps track of which device requested what, ensuring your data goes to the right place. It acts as a traffic manager, sorting and directing information so nothing gets lost. The whole process is automated, so you rarely notice it happening. Your devices connect seamlessly, and you don't have to manually set anything up. But every time you go online, your public IP is your network's face to the world. It's how websites, apps, and even other people on the internet recognize your connection. And that face can be seen by anyone who knows where to look. That's why understanding your IP address is important for privacy and security online. Hackers don't need secret tools to investigate an IP address. Many resources are public and easy to use. A simple WOIS lookup reveals the ISP and general location of an IP. IP geolocation services can narrow this down to a city or neighborhood. Tools like Ping and Traceroute confirm if an IP is active and map the path data takes to reach it. Port scanners like Nmap check for open doors on your network, services that might be vulnerable. An open port could mean an insecure camera, router, or other device. These tools help attackers build a profile and look for weaknesses. With just an IP address, a hacker can move from digital curiosity to real-world threat. The barrier entry is low. Anyone with basic knowledge can start probing. An IP address immediately reveals your ISP and your approximate location. Hackers can use this to craft convincing phishing attacks or target known vulnerabilities in your provider's equipment. Geolocation can pinpoint your city, making threats feel personal. Your IP also links your activity across websites, forums, and games, de-anonymizing you if you use the same address in multiple places. This trail can reveal your interests, habits, and even your employer or school if you're on a corporate or university network. Attackers use this context to tailor their approach, targeting corporate IPs differently from residential ones. The more they know, the more dangerous they become. Your IP is a puzzle piece that, when combined with other data, can expose your identity. Protecting it is crucial for maintaining your privacy. Let's look at how a simple online argument can spiral into real-world danger. Imagine Alex, a teenager, gets into a heated gaming dispute with another player, Shadow Slayer. Shadow Slayer captures Alex's public IP from the game's network traffic. A quick geolocation search reveals Alex is in Bristol, England. Shadow Slayer sends a threatening message, "I know you live in Bristol. Watch your back." The threat feels real. Alex's anonymity is gone. Shadow Slayer scans Alex's IP, finds open ports, and discovers an insecure home security camera. With default passwords found online, Shadow Slayer could potentially access the camera or launch a denial of service attack, knocking Alex's family offline. Worse, They could use location info to find Alex's social media and escalate harassment. All of this started with a single leaked IP address. It's a chilling reminder of how quickly digital clues can become real-world threats. Protecting your IP is protecting your safety. A known IP address can be used for denial of service attacks, flooding your connection and kicking you offline. Hackers scan for open ports, looking for vulnerable devices, like old printers or smart home gadgets with weak passwords. Gaining access to one device can let them move through your network, stealing files or installing spyware. Stalkers can combine your city-level location with social media clues to track your routines. The risk of swatting, where attackers use geolocation to send police to your home, is real and dangerous. Your IP is a key that can unlock both digital and physical threats. The consequences go far beyond inconvenience. Guarding your IP is essential for your security and peace of mind. The best way to hide your IP is with a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN routes your traffic through an encrypted tunnel, masking your real IP with one from the VPN server. Choose a reputable no-logs provider for true privacy. The Tor browser is another option, bouncing your traffic through multiple relays for strong anonymity. Secure your home network. Change your router's default password, use strong Wi-Fi encryption, and keep firmware updated. Be careful what you share online. Your IP isn't the only way you can be tracked. Avoid exposing your IP in peer-to-peer apps or public forums. Layering these defenses makes you a much harder target for attackers. Your IP address is more than a number, it's a gateway to your digital life. Hackers use simple public tools to turn it into a map of your habits, location, and vulnerabilities. The illusion of online anonymity is easily shattered, but you can fight back. Use a VPN or Tor, secure your home network, and practice good digital hygiene. Cybersecurity is an ongoing habit, not a one-time fix. Don't wait for a breach to take action. Protect your digital footprint now. In a world where data is currency, your privacy is worth defending. Take control, stay vigilant, and browse with confidence.